Hey, Tristan here. Today we're going to go over review automation using RepairDesk Connect. This is a really neat way to manage the reputation of your store. We'll start by clicking on this plus icon on the right side of the screen, and we'll want to make sure that RepairDesk Connect is installed. If you're good to go there, then click on the messages icon at the very top of the screen, and then we'll select feedback on the left. Now, this feedback configuration module can be configured per store. So if you wanted different messages or maybe to be sent at different times per store, you could configure that. For today, we're just going to focus on one store. You want to make sure to leave this module disabled while you configure it. As soon as you enable it, text messages and emails will start being sent. So let's pause on enabling it until it's configured the way that we want. The next thing that we decide is when the review campaign is sent. How long after a service is completed are we going to ask a customer to provide us some feedback? By default, it's 3 days and 2 p.m. You could decide that 1 day after at 4 p.m. is when I want that review campaign to be sent. You could configure it here however you like. The next thing that we're going to decide is what that review campaign looks like. Are we going to send it by SMS, by email, or maybe both? Now, the SMS format is a reputation management format. What this means is that a customer is not just going to get a link to leave you a Google review. Instead, they're going to be asked, how was your experience? If they were satisfied with their experience, please leave us a Google review. If they weren't satisfied with their experience, don't leave us a Google review. Instead, let's talk to a team member and let's fix the situation. So the initial message can be configured by using this edit icon. And there are a bunch of different fields that you can put in here, and you can format this however you like. Again, if the customer replies 1, they were satisfied with their experience. If they reply 2, they weren't satisfied with their experience. If they reply 1, this is what that message looks like. You'll be able to configure this however you like. Again, those same fields to be able to edit the message are available to you. And then you'll want to make sure that you paste in your Google review link so they can click on that and they can report back about their positive experience. Now, if they weren't satisfied, we don't want to give them a link to be able to leave us a Google review. Instead, we want to give them the opportunity to be able to reply back with their negative experience. That way we can make it right. And that response is going to be right here at the bottom. Now, what does this look like from an email perspective? Same thing. If your experience was great, review us on Google. If not, please contact us. We want to make sure that we make it right. And those same fields for customization are available down here at the bottom. If you don't want to do SMS or email, you could decide that you wanted to do both, and you can configure it that way. After we've enabled that, those text messages, emails, or both are going to start to be sent automatically. And that is review automation using RepairDesk Connect.